Hi guys. Today we're having a look at Acer's Aspire XC series. The one we've got here is the 885, and yeah, it is a 8th gen with 4 gig RAM, Core i3, and the machine is for office use, but it only comes unfortunately with a Windows 10 Home license. But it's a affordable machine, so you can spend the extra money on maybe a Windows 10 Pro license if you need it. But I think this one is only going to be used standalone, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's get it out of the box. Okay, we've got the machine. Let's just get that out of the plastic. This is a very small machine, SFF, small form factor machine. In front you have the Type-C USB, another USB, audio, mic and headset or headphones, CD-ROM. Don't know if this is, I think it is actually a CD-ROM. You can put it on these little feet, so I believe that's the way the machine will be standing. So very nice looking on and off button. So it's a very nice design. There you have, it's got one of these weird power supplies, so that's a bit of an issue if you have a power supply failure. But yeah, I believe you'll be able to get one easily from Acer. And at the back you've also got your volume, all your audio jacks, and 2 USB 3 ports, 4 USB 2 ports, VGA, and 2 HDMIs. Very nice little package here. I'll open the machine up now so we can see what's inside on the motherboard. Let's put this aside. We also get with it a keyboard. Let's quickly see how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is also a very low profile little keyboard. This is also included in this package. Just a normal USB keyboard. What else? There's just a booklet, and this little one with a power cable and a mouse. Okay, just a little Acer mouse, and I believe it's just a little optical mouse, 3-button mouse. Also just normal USB. Okay, so yeah, that's it for what's in the box. Let me get the machine quickly. Okay, on the back there's basically 2 screws, which you just have to unscrew. Okay, it comes with a normal HD or hard drive. We've already installed a SSD in this one. I don't sell Windows 10 computers with HDs anymore. That's just not working. It's too slow. Now there's nice expandability on the board. You can see here there's like a little slot for Wi-Fi or some little expansion card. You've got your 2 RAM slots. It's for DDR4, and then you've got a I think it's a 16-speed PCI Express port. But no, any case, I'm sure you guys will know what that is. But then another thing we saw was underneath here there's actually a slot for a, what you call it, NVMe, yeah. So yeah, it's very difficult to see, but it's underneath here, so you'll have to remove the front and take this out to build in NVMe. I'm not sure if it's a SATA or an actual NVMe slot, but I think on this machine it will not be a SATA port. It will be a NVMe or yeah, you know, the faster one. Then yeah, it's got a nice cooling fan, but as I said, the power supply is a bit of a weird one. If this fails, then you can't replace it with anything. You will have to replace it with one of Acer's power supplies, and well, that's about it. Don't think there's anything else, but the board has got a lot of extra features or expandability, as I said. So that's it. Now you know how it looks inside, and you know how it looks outside. It does perform good. We've installed Windows 10 on it, and it's flawless. I mean, it just works. Thanks for watching.